You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these names once and for all correctly, even though there's going to be different ways of pronouncing it. British English and American English. This is also a word in English. In British English, it is pronounced as Auburn. The R is silent in British English. Auburn. Auburn, stress on the first syllable. In American English, however, in the US, it's pronounced generally as Auburn. Auburn. Auburn, American English, US, United States, or Auburn, British English, UK. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.